The crypto market is pumping like crazy. And in this video, I'm going to be explaining to you exactly why this is going to happen. And is this just a fake out? Is this just a little pump, a bull trap? Are we going to head lower? What is about to happen next? In this video, I'm going to reveal all of that. In addition to that, there are rumors that Shiba Inu is going to be listed on Robinhood. That's why we are seeing Shiba Inu blast off today. So in this video, we're going to be covering all of this and much more, things that you cannot miss, so make sure you watch until the very end. What's up, Miles? It's ladies and gentlemen here. Make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you do not miss these time-sensitive videos that I make about cryptocurrencies every single day. If you want to get access to the most profitable crypto trading community in the world, go ahead and join the Patreon. The link is in my video description, where we give you access to buy small coins as soon as they launch, so you make gains like 50x to 100x like last week. We also do trade alerts for all of the main cryptocurrencies. You can even speak to me on the phone. We have so many services over there. Go ahead and check out the link in my video description. And also, if you love cryptocurrencies, give this video a thumbs up. It would really help to support the channel and these videos that I make for you every day for free. But most importantly, it helps to get these videos out to people that need to hear this information. And if you want to learn how to day trade cryptocurrencies, go ahead and click the teachable link below, where I have a course that teaches you how to chart to day trade cryptocurrencies and everything you need to know how to make money in crypto. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and dive straight into the market. But remember to get your 2 free stocks worth up to $3,000 from WEBULL. All you have to do is create an account with the link below and deposit 1 penny or more. So as we are seeing, the market is substantially green today. Most cryptos are up 5 to 10%, and that is a beautiful thing to behold, especially Shiba Inu still up 15%. Very good things to see in the market. Pretty much everything is green. Now, Miles, why is the market green? What the heck has been happening? Why are things changing? Well, as I've been telling you the last several days, that we are nearing the bottom, and all the indicators and the information that I've been showing to you in my videos are proving that a market rebound is about to take place here very soon. Yes, it might not happen this very second, as I said, or tomorrow, the next day, but it's very likely within a couple of weeks, very soon, that we should see some green here, because we've been beaten down for far too long. Now keep watching, because I'm going to explain to you exactly why the market was green and where we are headed. So precisely, the reason why the market is green is because today was the inflation reading report. And if you notice, as I have told you also in my previous videos, which you should watch my latest video yesterday, explain this in detail. If you notice, the last 2 months, every around the 10th or the 12th of the month, there's a CPI reading, which is called Consumer Price Index, which monitors inflation, and it monitors the rising price of common goods and services and so forth. So the last 2 months, when the inflation reading was very high and higher than expected, as we know cryptos are a hedge against inflation, the inflation report, even though it was high, which is good for cryptocurrencies, a reason to buy cryptocurrencies, actually brought cryptos down, because the inflation reading is not good for the stock market. And we know that cryptos, unfortunately, for the time being, are closely tied to the stock market. So when the stock market goes down, cryptos most of the time do go down, but there will be a time in the future called a decoupling, when the stock market and the crypto market will be completely separable, and that they will not be contingent upon the other, meaning that whenever the stock market goes up or down, it's not going to necessarily have a huge effect on the price of cryptos. And in time, there will be a time where the stock market will crash and continue to go down while cryptos go up. And there will be a massive conversion and a migration to cryptocurrencies here in the future, which will be called the massive adoption, which will shoot cryptocurrencies up greater than we could ever imagine. So the CPI rating the last 2 months has brought things down. But last week, cryptos and the stock market crashed and continue to go lower, because the Fed was talking about combating inflation and what they were going to do. So that actually shot cryptos down as well, because cryptos are a hedge against inflation. And if they're going to lower inflation, that means that cryptos are no longer a hedge against inflation. That's what they want you to think. So that's why cryptos were going down. But I told you, you know what, actually cryptos are most likely going to go up today because of this reading, which is most likely going to be higher than expected, as it is, because it's combating the previous thought which dropped cryptos last week. That's just one part of it. But are cryptos going to continue to go up? Are they going to go down? Well, as I have been showing you in my previous videos, which you should watch, I explained to you that the market is about to rebound. And Bitcoin, which is the whole ecosystem of cryptocurrencies, whenever Bitcoin goes up, the whole crypto ecosystem goes up. Whenever it's bearish and goes down, every single cryptocurrency, for the most part, will go down. So by Bitcoin actually having a very strong resistance level around $41,000, that shows that this historical support level ended up playing out and being very, very helpful and allowing this to be the potential bottom of the crypto market. Now, if Bitcoin actually ends up recovering and bouncing from this particular level, there are some massive gains underway in these next coming weeks, and it's very likely that we could continue to see green for quite a length of time. So since Bitcoin is recovering, that's why we are seeing Ethereum do some good things, XRP, BNB, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu do some very good things. But here is the incredible piece of news that I've been telling you about Shiba Inu and Robinhood. So Shiba Inu ended up going up a lot today because of the speculation of a Twitter post by Breaking Crypto. He said Shiba Inu Robinhood listing said to come as early as February. So it's very possible because Robinhood is, of course, coming out with their wallets here very, very soon. We are just days away for that, which is going to be a great thing for the crypto market overall. But there are potential rumors, as have been mentioned for the last several months, that Shiba Inu is going to be listed on this exchange as a crypto to buy, sell, trade, and send off and to receive. So this is very, very good news. And if this were to happen, I personally believe that Shiba Inu will continue to rocket and make some crazy gains like we saw last year. Let me know if you agree with that in the comments below. And remember, nothing of this video is financial advice. So getting deep into the video of what's actually happening in the crypto market, if we want to take a deep dive into technical analysis, what we are witnessing right now is a breakout, ladies and gentlemen. And what we did see basically was a double or triple bottom, but we are also seeing somewhat of an inverse head and shoulders, where we're seeing the inverse head and shoulders, which is usually and most of the time a very bullish, strong reversal signal. And not only is that happening, but we are breaking the neckline here, which is this resistance level. And whenever this resistance level is broken with volume, as we are starting to see, breakouts generally ensue 80% of the time or so. So what is actually happening is that we ended up breaking out of this pattern just recently, and we came down to bounce off this previous resistance level, also called the neckline, and now becoming our support. This is a very likely scenario. So what is very likely is if we actually get confirmation with more time being outside of this pattern and moving up, that the pattern would most likely give us a huge move. And this move, guys, this move, ladies and gentlemen, could certainly bring us to about $46,000 for Bitcoin. And if we measure this current breakout, that is give or take about a 6% gain. So if Bitcoin were to make a 6% gain, it would be very likely that some of the altcoins will probably 12% gain, 15% gain, even greater. So this is looking very good, but we certainly want to be cautious because we are still in a bearish market. Things are still bearish. Even though today we've had a relief rally and things are looking green, we just need to be careful and to see how this breakout ends up playing out and if the breakout does confirm versus getting rejected. But the higher scenario, the more likely scenario is that the market will continue this bullish continuation, this bullish reversal, and that we will continue to go up. And I personally think that green is underway. So these dips are getting really, really cheap. These discounts are really, really cheap. And to make a lot of money in this type of time, it's going to be very easy, especially for us in the Patreon as we do these awesome buy alerts where we are making a lot of money in crypto. Now, if you've got something out of this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, follow all of my socials, and check out the links in my video description. I have a free Telegram, free Discord. We also have a VIP Discord. We have a whole bunch of things happening. Go ahead and check them out, and I will see you all later.